YouTube channel, Manuel Mancha. I appreciate you guys coming by. Today, we are going to go over how to put a subscribe button into your YouTube channel. So anyways, if you guys haven't been over to my channel, basically what I do is I do the how-tos if you're building up your online marketing business or you are building up your brand. Thank you so much for coming to this channel. This is basically kind of the behind the scenes, what the technical aspects of putting things together as far as starting an Instagram, starting a YouTube channel, starting a Facebook, anything that has to do with social media or online or any of those questions you might have, how to build a website out. We go through all the how-tos to help you guys out there, help you build your brand. If you like what you hear, definitely hit a like button on there. Or if you like to subscribe to our channel, so every time we come out with new videos, you definitely get that heads up. And also another thing is, if you are looking for a way to learn how to build your brand, how to build out your online business, we are doing a 15-day challenge. It's right above, you can see it right above me, right on my name up there on my YouTube channel. You can take that 15-day challenge. It will definitely help you out to get started, get you started on the fast track to building your online brand or building your online marketing business. So anyways, with that said, we are going to get into it. Today, we are going to put the subscribe button on. And the reason why you want the subscribe button on there is because you want your people, you want the folks, the viewers who are coming over to your channel to be able to hit the subscribe button very easily. You want to make it as easy as possible, basically. So when they are watching your video, you can tell them to subscribe, which the link should be below me somewhere right here. You should be able to see it. It just makes it very convenient. Things you gotta do in any part of your social media that you're doing, you gotta make it as easy and as convenient as possible for your viewers, for the folks that are coming over to you, your audience, to be able to do the things, to follow you, to stay engaged with you, to be able to connect with you. So the subscribe button is just an added benefit to be able to do that. They're able to just simply, if they watch a video, they really like a video that you put out, they can just jump over, boom, click on that subscribe button while they're watching the video. That way they can stay updated with any videos that you do put out. So anyways, with that said, let's get into it. Here we go. What you're gonna do now, first step you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to your channel. If you have your channel already set up, like I said, I'll go through setting up channels and everything like that on later videos. This is specifically just putting on, sorry, I didn't put my phone on silent. This is simply just a quick video on how to put the subscribe button on, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and go on up here. Let's get in here. You're gonna go on up here to where the circle is at, your name or where your YouTube channel is. Right there is Manuel Mancha. And you're gonna go over to YouTube Studios. Okay? Now, let me say this. There's actually two ways you could do this. Let me go back here. Go into your channel. They kind of changed some things up. And actually, if you are in your channel, the easier way to go to this, and before I was going into YouTube Studios and I was going into settings. But there's an easier step here. Right below here, it says Customize Channel. You're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you over to your channel settings. And what you're going to do is you're going to come over to branding. Okay. Now, if you've been over to branding before, you can, in your branding area, you can put your profile picture and you can also put your layout, what goes above the YouTube channel. You can put that right in here. But if you scroll a little bit more down, you can see it says video watermark. The watermark will appear on your video in the right-hand corner of your video player. So this button right here is the subscribe button. Now, how do you do it? You can do a couple things to display the subscribe button. Okay. Now, the first thing you could do is, let me see here. All right, for some reason I was having some technical difficulty. I apologize for that. Here we go. So the way you're going to put your subscribe button on your YouTube channel is you're just going to come down here. It actually has a place where you can put it. It's a watermark. So basically it's going to be kind of like a silhouette in the corner, or not a silhouette, but just kind of like faded in the corner. But people can click on it and just subscribe to your channel. They would just automatically click on that button to subscribe. So the way you're going to do it is you have a couple options here. You can put the video at the end, or I'm sorry, you can put the watermark subscribe button at the end of your video, or you have an option to customize it. You can customize the start time, which means it'll run from a certain point. I have it at 5 seconds. So 5 seconds into my video, you'll see the watermark come up and it'll stay there throughout the whole entire video, or you can just click the entire video. Now, how do you get the watermark? Very easily. You can go to a couple different places. I have a link in my description to TubeBuddy. If you haven't used TubeBuddy before, it's a really great place to get fonts and different other things you can use for your channel. But if not, you can always go to Google or Google Images if you want to use one of the Google Images. If you are worried about copyright issues or anything like that, you can definitely go over to other places. I believe they have a couple other places you can go to free stock videos or stock pictures. Let me see here. You can go free stock pictures, stock photos. There it goes. You can go to free stock photos and just jump on over. Let me see where's that at. Free stock photos right here, and just put it in YouTube, and let's see if it brings up YouTube. Let's see what it brings up as far as YouTube, I'm sorry, YouTube subscribe. Let's see if we put subscribe. There we go, subscribe button right there. So you can look through and see if you can find, it doesn't seem to put it on here. So like I said, let me see here. I don't see it on here. Like I said, you can, I'm not going to tell you to do it, but you have the option to go to just a Google, which is probably the easier place to go to. You just go google.com and come over here and put a YouTube subscription button. Come on over to images, and you can take whichever one you want, whatever works for you. Here, just click on it, move it on over, and like I said, use the button. It's going to be a watermark. Once you have it saved to your hard drive, you're just going to come back over, and where you see it here, it says remove or change. I can click on the change button, and let me see here. It'll bring up my file folder, and all I'm going to do is go in there and find where that picture was, whether it's under screen or whichever file it is. Click on it, upload it, and it'll have that picture in there. Now, again, you have some different options. If you want, there also is another place you can go if you want to create your own subscription button that I definitely recommend. And like I said, there is a link in my description button to this site, but you can go to Canva. Canva is actually free. They have a free program, so you can use it for free if you like. They have monthly and yearly. If you want to go to pro, it's up to you, but definitely you can come in here. Let me log in. Let me see if it has me. There it goes. Boom, right in there. And you can actually design your own template subscribe button if you want. You can go in here, create a design, YouTube icon if you want, and then obviously just create anything you like, just a subscription button in here. You can put this here and just put subscribe if you want, and put YouTube, and you know, you can design it however you want. I'm not going to go through a whole description of how to design it, but once you're done, you can save it to your hard drive right over here. Download it. It's free. Like I said, you're not paying anything to use Canva. There are some other properties within Canva that are really good. If you do want to pay for the subscription, like I said, you don't have to. It's a free site to be able to design logos, templates, things like that. But it's up to you. But anyways, you have that option. Like I said, you can take whatever option you want. I'm not telling you. You can go straight to Google, but that is an option for you. Again, you got to deal with copyright issues and things like that are now very apparent in a lot of different things when you're downloading pictures or anything like that. So just be aware of that when you're doing that. But again, the simplest thing you can do, change, upload that picture. Once you have that picture in here, you'll see it's there. You have your start time, and all you would do is come back over here and click on publish. Make sure you publish all the time. Anytime you're doing anything, it's like saving. Click publish, so that way it can publish it to your channel. Now, when you go back to your channel, after you click on publish, let me just click on this one. I'm going to go all the way to the beginning, but I'm going to mute this so you don't hear it. But as you can see here, once the video starts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, boom, jumps right in there. You see that subscription button. And again, all you would do is click on that subscription button. Obviously, I can't do it because this is my channel, but you can click on that subscription button. And that's as easy as it is, just putting your subscription. Like I said, you can design it however you want. You can go to Canva and design it so you can have it uploaded. You can make different ones. I know people sometimes have different templates that will go with seasons. I saw one where the guy did like sort of like a turkey subscription, like a little design turkey that says subscribe, or a Christmas tree subscribe, different things. Be creative, play with it. It's your YouTube channel. You can do it however you like. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up on my YouTube channel. I do have my links to my other social media sites on here, so you can definitely hit me up on any one of these channels up here. Boom, 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 boom. And check us out for more videos. I appreciate you guys coming by. Like I said, my purpose in doing this channel and making this channel is just to share with you all the information that I'm learning as I'm building out my businesses, online marketing, affiliate marketing, as I go through the process. So I hope this helps you out. Definitely hit a subscribe button if you like to stay updated on any new videos that are going to be coming out. And also hit a like button, heart button. I say a heart button, but hit a like button if you like what you heard. And leave a comment. We definitely like hearing comments, questions, anything, good, bad, whatever. We want to hear it. We want to know if we're doing it right, if you don't like the way I'm talking, whatever. I do not care. Just leave a comment. Let us know what's going on. We want to get that feedback to help you guys out. Okay? Anyways, have a great day. Have a wonderful day. And that's it. Take care. Bye-bye.